Welcome back to our e-class of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. Class 3rd, subject General Knowledge GK. Topic chapter number 5, which is Reptiles. It is on page number 7, students. You can take out your books and please open page number 7, chapter number 5, Reptiles. So, in this chapter, students, you can see there we will be studying about different types of reptiles. So, reptiles are of different types. They are having different features in their bodies and they are having speciality. So, today we will be studying in detail about each one of them. I am Anukriti Gupta, your general knowledge teacher, will be guiding you for chapter number 5, Reptiles. So, basically what are reptiles, students? Reptiles are a group of animals with scales on their body. So, different types of animals have different types of features. Their bodies are different. But reptiles are a group of animals. They are animals we all know, but they are a group of animals who are having scales on their body. Like you can see a snake or a lizard or any other turtle. And two more things I need to mention, and which are, when in danger, a tortoise can pull in its legs and head. So, tortoise, what does it do? Whenever it is in danger, it just pull back its hands and neck inside its shell. So, it is safe. And the most poisonous snake is the marine cobra of the Western Pacific. Western Pacific, you can find it in the Pacific Ocean, western side. It is the marine cobra and it is the most poisonous snake. Now let us study about the reptiles. Starting with the first one, let us focus on the first one, which is, what is it saying? I have a long sticky tongue. I am a dash. I am a chameleon. Why? Because it is having a long sticky tongue. It changes its color also, and at some place it eat insects. So I have a long sticky tongue. I am a chameleon. Next, moving on to number 2. I live in water. I have flipper like legs. I am a dash. So I live in water, and flipper like legs means which helps us to swim. So flipper like legs. So it is having shell also. It can hide inside it also, and we can judge it by having a look at its shell, which is turtle. I am a turtle. Students, you can write it down in your books. I am a turtle. Next, coming on to the third part. It says that I shed my tail when see a danger. So students, you might have noticed this reptile somewhere at your place or somewhere, whenever you are visiting some other place, some tourist place, or whenever you are going to a market, hiding behind the wall or some scenery or some wall clock? Yes, it is a lizard. So, whenever some animal or some other reptile is coming to eat lizard, what it does, it shed its tail, it leave its tail there and runs away. So, the predator seems to have that lizard is at that place only. Lizard is there only. But when predator goes to that place, it sees that it is only tail. The lizard is gone. So whenever lizard see that a danger is coming, so it shed its tail and it runs away. It is lizard. 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 Next, coming to the fourth number, I vibrate my tail to make a loud rattling sound to warn my enemies. So what is rattling sound? Anyone? Anyone can answer? So rattling sound means a loud voice or a loud sound. Loud sound. So what does this animal or this reptile do? It vibrates its tail to make a loud sound, loud rattling sound. It warns the enemies. But even if after warning they are not going, they have a fight. So it is what it is. I am a rattlesnake. What it is? It is a rattlesnake. Coming to the next part, which is the fifth part. It says, I am the most poisonous snake in the world. In the world, it is the most poisonous snake. So, we also have the different species in snakes or in animals. So, this is the type of snake which is the most dangerous one, most poisonous one. In the beginning, I mentioned this thing that it is the most poisonous one in the Western Pacific. Which snake? It is cobra. I am a cobra and I am the most poisonous snake in the world. It says I'm the most poisonous snake, and we also know that marine cobras are the most poisonous one because they are if they sting, then suddenly the person or the animal which is being stinged die within the seconds. So number fifth is cobra. Moving on to the next part. Yes. So the next part is, it says, I am largest of all living reptiles. I often bask in the sun on a river bank. So what does it say? It says I am largest of all living reptiles. It is the largest reptile of all the reptiles. You see, all the reptiles are smaller than this reptile. This is the largest reptile. I often bask in the sun on the river bank. So what does it do? It also bask in the sun on a river bank. Bask in the sun means they soak sun, they like sun, so they wait or they just roam in the sun and they enjoy the basking in sun. So on a river bank, so basically they live in water or and on land both, but they prefer water more if they are thirsty or if they are in search of their prey. If they want to search for their food, they come to water. And if they want to um, hide somewhere, they want to bask in sun, or they want to lay eggs, they come to land. Okay, so what is it? I am a crocodile. I am a crocodile. I am largest of all living reptiles. I often bask in the sun on a river bank. Crocodile. So next up is your home assignment, students. You have to learn chapter number 5 and complete your work in general knowledge book, page number 7. This work is to be done in book only, and you have to complete it from 1 to 6 reptiles we have studied. You are on the first slide, on the first page, you can see you have the whole page and you have to write the names of the reptiles. So I have mentioned the answers also. Kindly see, go through the video slowly. You can pause it anywhere. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section, or you can reach out to your general knowledge teacher anytime and you ask your queries, but solve this on your own, and then you just cross check the answers with the video. Complete your work in the book, page number 7.